In this post, I'm going to teach you how to train up a child the way they should go. And first, I want to take an excerpt from my single mom's book, Fix It Jesus for Single Moms Only, which you can click the link down below to buy. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22:6. When children are born, they are always learning and absorbing, which is why training starts from birth. You cannot be a neglectful mother and then wonder what happened when your child turns 16 and he or she does not respect you or talk to you any type of way. It is because you never trained them. If you ask me, I will tell anyone that it was never too early to train my son. Even as a toddler, he will push my limits, and I let him know that the world has rules, and in this house he obeys mine. When people look at my son, they think, "Oh, you're so lucky because your son is so well behaved." No, I made him well behaved. From the moment that children are born, they are selfish. They don't care if you're sleepy. They are going to cry in the middle of the night. They do not care if they should eat vegetables. They would rather eat junk. When they do not get what they want, they fall on the floor and start throwing temper tantrums. But as a parent, you need not tolerate all of that. In this world today, there are all of these stipulations, and being a parent and allowing your children to roam free, figuring out the world on their own. People want you to think that it is your job as a parent to provide all of these feel-good moments. And this is why we have a bunch of kids who cannot cope with everyday life. Allowing your children to just do what they want and how they want will not do you any favors. And it is against the Bible, because the Bible knows that training starts very early. If you instill values and respect in your children, then that is all they will know. To check out the full blog post on how to train up a child the way that they should go, don't forget to check the description box down below so you can read the full post. And also, don't forget to get my Single Moms devotional by clicking the link down below in the description box as well. Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also, you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.